Hello YouTube family, welcome to our YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe. The Volvo EX90 is a premium electric SUV that blends luxury, sustainability and advanced technology. Designed to offer a comfortable and eco-friendly driving experience, the EX90 is powered by a fully electric drivetrain. Key features of the Volvo EX90 include electric powertrain. The EX90's electric drivetrain offers a quiet and smooth ride with zero tailpipe emissions. Long range. The EX90 boasts a substantial driving range on a single charge, making it suitable for long journeys. Spacious interior. With comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers, the EX90 provides ample space for both passengers and cargo. Advanced technology. The EX90 is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, including a large touchscreen display and integration with Google services. Safety features. Volvo is known for its commitment to safety, and the EX90 is expected to feature a comprehensive suite of advanced safety technologies. The Volvo EX90 is a luxurious and sustainable electric SUV that offers a premium driving experience. With its long range, spacious interior, and advanced features, the EX90 is a compelling option for those seeking a high-quality electric vehicle.